Four rules you need to pay attention to before you make investments. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to be discussing four rules you need to pay attention to as a beginner so that you make wise choices when it comes to investing your money. And to give you a bonus, at the end of this video I'm going to show you how to invest $100 so that in a period of 2 to 3 months you'll be able to start making $1,000 monthly. I'm going to show you how you should do it. This video is going to be living proof. I'm going to show you how I've done it myself and ways you can do it yourself. So without waste of time, let's get into the video. If this is your first time in my channel, I want you to like this video and also give a subscribe so that you see more of my videos. Rule number 1 on how you need to make smart decisions when it comes to money is that investing money or any kind of investment in order to make more money comes with risks. So if you're not prepared to take risks, then that is not the right time you need to invest. So if you have $1,000 in your bank account or in your wallet, if you are not ready to take risks, that is not the best time for you to invest your money. So hold on from investment if you are not ready to take risks. I have seen some people very young who put in their life savings into investments. That is very bad because you end up losing majority of them. I've seen stocks or cryptocurrency that has lost its value 50% in just one day. So what would you do if all you had was $100 or $1,000? Then you lose 50% in just one day. It will take a longer period of time before you make that kind of profit back. So if you're not ready to take risks, if this amount of money is not the kind of money you can risk, then you need to hold off investment. Those who make investment make sure whatever they are investing are money they are willing to lose. So if you know you're not willing to lose that money, do not invest any money. That's rule number 1. Number 2, clear off all your debts. So I've seen many people go into investments with credit card debts. One rule I live by throughout my lifetime is as long as you are owing someone, you are a slave to that person. And as long someone knows you owe them money, you do not have any money till you have paid them back. Let's say, for example, you have $1,000 and you owe somebody $200. As far as you have not paid that person is $200, you do not have $1,000, because as soon as you take his $200 out, you are left with $800. And most of these credit card companies charge interest, so the longer you keep the debt, the more money you have to pay. So first of all, clear up all your debt so that you'll be free. Rule number 3, which is very important, is make sure you have emergency fund. So in your bank accounts, the amount of money you have, make sure you have set aside money for emergency in case you need quick money you can easily use for your emergency fund. Note that money you invest may be difficult for you to get back as soon as possible. It may be difficult for you to liquidate money that you have put into any kind of investment. It may take you a longer period of time to get that money back. So rather than waiting for a longer period of time, you need to set aside some money for emergency. This is going to give you peace of mind. Emergency could be health issue, your car breakdown, you just pick money from there and fix it, or a family member needs help and you know you can offer such help, you use money from your emergency fund. And last but not the least is do your research before you make any kind of investment. So whether it is cryptocurrency or you want to invest in the stock, you make sure you need to study what you are doing and make sure look into the future and see if that is going to be profitable in future. There are some startup companies that you could invest in. There are some that you should not invest in because after some time maybe government regulation may make those businesses go down, or there are some investments like the one I just did recently. There's a new car company, electric car company, that is being started in China. So since there are no major competition with Tesla, I believe that company was the best investment I ever made. Very soon, as soon as competition for electric vehicles come up, I believe that company will likely be among the top vehicles. they are currently in China. So just because I've made financial or have made research about that company, I knew very soon they are going to be very top in the game when it comes to investment. So I said toward the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can invest your money. I'm going to tell you simple ways how you can do it and prove that people are making money from it. Number one is starting a blog. Starting a blog is the easiest way you can make passive income. I'm going to show you proof on how people are making money from it. First, let's go to our browser and we are going to look at Mediavine income reports. When we go to Mediavine income reports, you click on this website, income report archive, or let's use the first one, Mediavine income report. All you just need to do is go down and we'll be able to see some websites. As you can see, this one is 2020. So let's use another mommy blog, December 2020, since that one is more recent. So we're going to click on that one and see how much money she has been making. So I don't need to read all that, but you can go and read it yourself. As you can see, blog income through Mediavine, she made $4,157 in just December 2020. From Amazon, she made 183. Avin, she made 277, and total she made $4,617. That is a large sum of money you can make for free every month, and she's going to make more and more as long as she keeps uploading this her web page. So in our web page, for example, you can see it's very simple. It's just blogs for mommies. You see, she has subheadings such as parenthood, where she discusses about parent life, beauty, crafts, home decor, food, blogging, contact, privacy. So you can create a website like this as easy as possible. So if you want a video on how to create blogs like this, write it down in the comment section. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's get back into another way you can make money. I told you I'm going to give you 2 ways you can make money. Another way is to invest in the stock market or in cryptocurrency. This is the part of investment where I want you to seek for expert advice before you do it. So when it comes to stock market, there are different ways you can invest in stocks. You just look for an exchange that allows you invest in the stock, or you use some mobile application just like Robinhood. You can use it to invest in stock, or if you have Binance, you can use it to invest in cryptocurrency. Make sure you make your own research before doing that. So if you want a particular video about that, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how to invest in the stock market or in cryptocurrency. So that's all for this video. See you in my next one.